In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Netflix to Apple CarPlay. Here's what you have to do. First, go into the App Store and you will need to search for screen mirroring. You may have noticed that you cannot add Netflix directly, so what we have to do is get a screen mirroring app first. So I'm just going to search for screen mirroring and you can choose whichever application you want. For example, let's get this one. Now, how this is going to work, once you get this application or other apps like Let's View, another app like Let's View, you will need to go into your iPhone settings. Then here you will scroll down and select General. And then you have to go to the CarPlay section. Click on CarPlay and you will need to choose your car here from the list. And then you have to select More Apps and you will add the screen mirroring app which you have downloaded. So for example, if it's Let's View, you will add it. And then what you have to do is use your phone to watch Netflix, and then you will mirror it by clicking on this icon here, and you will mirror it to whichever mirroring app you have installed. And that is how you play Netflix, but you will have to use your phone. So you will have your iPhone and mirror it to your Apple CarPlay, and it is going to be displayed. Make sure you drive safely. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.